Hello everyone, Lost War Crew, this is Robbo 5 Life, and today I'm going to do a review again of microwave chips shoestring this time. Last time was crinkle cut, this one is shoestring. Cook in just 4 minutes. Open here, get your chips in there. Yep, the instructions similar as before. Open box along perforations. Whack it open, the microwave lid fully open for maximum crunch. Take it out of the microwave. Lightly season with salt if you like. Close the lid and give it a shake. Stand for 1 to 2 minutes with the lid open for maximum chip crunch. Then dig in. I haven't added any salt yet, but you know. So give this one a try. Not bad. Probably do better with a bit of salt. Give it another shake. I guess that's probably why you had to shake it in the first place. And you get a nice snack. That's better. But my favourite ingredient is of course tomato sauce. Now, third one with the sauce. Perfect. Now, what do I rate these? Last time was about 8, I think. This time I'd give it about 8 as well. Still pretty crunchy. Probably more crunchy since it's got like small chips. It's not bad as the like what do you think? It's actually quite crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, which is quite surprising for a microwave product. What the hell was that? Anyway, so it's a pretty quick snack if you want one. These were at Woolworths, I think. Not too expensive, at least. So yeah. So if we go to Woolies or anything, or IGA, look for the crunch shoestring chips. They're a pretty nice snack. In America, I don't know. I don't know if they sell these in America, but shoestring chips in Australia are French fries in America. Just to clear that up. But anyway, until next time, this has been Robbo 5 Life. Have a good life, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.